ଜୟ ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ। ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ନମସ୍କାର। ନୂଆ ରୂପ ପାଇଥିବା ରମ୍ବା ପ୍ୟାଲେସର ଉଦ୍ଘାଟନ କରି ମୁଁ ବହୁତ ଖୁସି। ଓଡ଼ିଶାର ଗୌରବମୟ ଇତିହାସରେ ରମ୍ବା ପ୍ୟାଲେସର ସ୍ୱତନ୍ତ୍ର ସ୍ଥାନ ରହିଛି। ସ୍ୱାଧୀନତା ସଂଗ୍ରାମ ସହିତ ସ୍ୱତନ୍ତ୍ର ଓଡ଼ିଶା ଗଠନ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଦେଶର अस्मिता और राज्यर स्वाभिमानର ସାକ୍ଷୀ ହେଉଛି ଏହି ପ୍ୟାଲେସ। Redeveloped and restored by renowned architect Channa Daswate, the new look monument has been successful in showcasing the best of Odisha's history, heritage and culture to the world. The intricate textile and weaves adorning the palace, sourced from artisans and weavers across Odisha, highlight the diverse cultural wealth of our state. It looks classy and elegant. I thank Suave Ventures for its initiative to restore this magnificent palace. I am particularly glad to mention the rich biodiversity of Chilka Lake, home to over 800 species of flora and fauna, a true gem of Odisha that our guests should experience. This initiative will be a huge boost for creating employment opportunities, promoting tourism, and the exquisite work of Odisha's artisans and weavers. I urge more and more people to come forward and contribute to the growth and development of our state. I invite all our Odia friends in India and abroad to visit and share this treasure with their loved ones from around the world. Let's come together to showcase the beauty and diversity of Odisha and create lasting memories for all who grace this majestic palace. Thank you, and let us embark on this journey of discovery and celebration together. Bande Utkal Janani.